everybody at Garrison Mill.
Hi guys from Garrison Mill. I'm Micah.
And I'm Ms. Lopez. And we're out here on our back deck. We're in our backyard, right?
Yeah, we're making flower necklaces and flower.
Making what the Hawaiians refer to as leis. So Micah is showing you, okay, how to do it right now.
Yes.
And sorry about my neighbor's cutting his grass way over there. So sorry about the back feed. This right here is what you need. So string, thread of some kind.
And a needle.
You need a needle. It doesn't have to be a sharp needle. It can be a blunt needle. You need something so you can go through. You need a pair of scissors. And you need to find flowers of some kind. Now, luckily, it is spring, and I used flowers that have just started to bloom, okay? So you find whatever flowers you can. And what you're doing is getting a long piece of string. You want to go double. So when you pull it off, you put it on the needle, then you're going to curve it around.
Yeah.
Cut it and tie a knot on the end.
And if you want, you can see us on video.
Yes, they're going to see us on video. And so you then have to do your first, okay, flower. You kind of put it on the side. So instead of actually going into the hole, and I'm going to walk up and show you what I mean. Instead of going into that little tiny hole that's right there, you want to push the needle just off to the side
Like
of
this.
it. Yes, just like Micah is doing. Then,
You just gotta go really careful.
after you do that, then you just put one right after the other until they all group together. And Micah, show them how this fits on your wrist. So you can see it is lovely. It's nice. And you get to be outside because sadly we can't see you, but we can at least be outside and enjoy that the sun has finally come out. So those of you who've been sending me stuff, thank you so much. I'm so happy that you are enjoying it, and I miss you guys. Yeah, I can't even tell you how much I miss all of your smiling faces. But we're gonna do the best we can. We're gonna stay safe and stay healthy, right? Say good luck, have fun, and we hope you enjoy making some Hawaiian leis.
And you can see